We have 35, sometimes 40 permanent stands in our hunting area, and we stumbled upon these mobile stands completely by chance. They are sold only 10 kilometers away from us, and since we've had the Mobijagd stands, we've been using only these two. The other 35 can now slowly be left to the beaver.
The advantage of these stands is quite simple. With every stationary wooden stand, you need to invest a huge amount of effort every year for repairs, maintenance, UVV, and all the regulations. That's a massive amount of work for this many stands. With the Mobijagd, I no longer need to deal with that. I have a ready-to-use stand, and it's KWF certified. I no longer need to renovate or repair it. I just place it where it's needed because the other stands are usually in the wrong spot for hunting wild boars. I set the Mobijagd up manually, and I can use it as a hunting stand, a sleeping blind, or even as a drive hunt tower. Everything is possible with this stand, and maybe a little anecdote on the side. I was sitting outside at night in the cold. After 2 to 3 hours, I decided to lie down because it didn't make sense to go back home. I was lying there with my dachshund in the stand, which has a small window on the side. The dachshund started wagging its tail in my face and woke me up. And there, right in front of us, stood the wild boars. The rest is history. What did we learn from that? To hunt, I really only need 2 things: a mobile stand from Udo Rock and a dachshund to keep watch when the hunter's sleeping.
The great thing about it is that we're a bit older, although it doesn't always show, but we're grandparents. My back doesn't tolerate sitting on a wooden bench for 6 to 8 hours, but with the Mobijagd, that problem is gone. Comfort is also a big factor here. Warm, comfortable, dry, safe, and mouse-free, which is also a concern with the hunter virus. The stand is lockable. You can't just drive it away because it has an attached hitch lock. And even I, weighing just 45 kilograms, can easily set it up. I don't need a second person to help me drive it to the hunting ground or set it up.
Looking at the long term, this stand is just fantastic. It pays for itself. Just a few screws cost me 400 to 500 euros a year. When you have so many wooden hunting stands that need constant maintenance, the Mobijagd makes a lot more sense. Multiply that by 10, 20 or more. Everyone can do the math. Within 5 to 6 years, the Mobijagd stand pays for itself completely, and I won't have any further maintenance work. From a cost perspective, it's a clear advantage that can't be praised enough. I'm a firm believer without a doubt.
We even bought a second Mobijagd stand so we both can sit comfortably and enjoy the benefits together. And if someone is wondering how to insure or register the stand, it's registered as a trailer, and every car insurance company insures it, even against wind, weather, vandalism and theft. And it's insured for a small fee. It's really perfect for insurance.
Finally, a question. You also hunt together, right? Yes, when my wife annoys me, I can sleep in the stand.
And if I no longer want him back, I'll lock it from the outside, throw away the key, and he'll have to climb out through the roof.